started our day even before the sun was up as we made our way from Port Blair to catch the ferry to Havelock. We had already booked our seats on Macruz, so we made sure to reach the port well in advance. No way we were risking missing it. So let's get inside. It's 6 in the morning now. We booked special early morning premium cruise which costs $12.50 per person including port fee, which you can book directly from the site of Macruz. It's quite chilly here. So it will take about 1.5 hours to reach Havlock. Till then, let's enjoy the journey.
We can remember swimming in December.
It's 7:30 now and we have just arrived at Havlock. Port already looks quite busy. It's surrounded by endless shades of blue, the clear sky above and the sea stretching out in every direction. So we are staying at Hotel El Dorado, though we can't really go to a room as check-in starts from 9. So we are heading to the beach right behind the hotel. Perfect blend of sunshine and shade. Sun shines through the scattered trees, making soft patterns of light and shadow on the ground. A slow walk over here itself feels pretty peaceful. The weather is just perfect. Bright sky, calm sea, and a nice breeze already kicking in. Everything is giving such a perfect tropical vibe.
How long will the night be held before I see the first rays of the dawn? When you're not around.
It felt so refreshing and peaceful just sitting by the sea. If you are visiting Havlock, make sure to book a hotel with sea view. It's absolutely worth it. So here's our room. Pretty decent. So we're gonna get fresh and take rest for some time. Then we'll leave for Radhanagar beach. Feetball. Yeah. So we are going to Kalapathar now. Then we'll be heading towards Radhanagar beach and we'll be taking splash there. So yeah, let's go. The shoreline of Kalapathar is too rocky and current is quite strong, so we won't go too deep into the water here. Havlock Island spreads over about 92 square kilometers. The distance between Kalapathar and Radhanagar beach is roughly 6 to 7 kilometers, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes by road. Here's one interesting fact about Andaman. More than half of the people here are Bengalis. After independence, a lot of Bengali families resettled here from Bengal, and over time they have really shaped the culture, food and vibe of the islands. You can feel the influence everywhere, and being Bengali, I am quite glad. Alright people, now we are here at Radhanagar beach. So yeah, it's 2. Maybe we'll be staying here for another 2 hours. So yeah, let's head to the beach. Radhanagar beach is actually, in fact, Asia's #1 beach. And the thing that really stands out is how clean it is. And moreover, the water is crystal clear and turquoise. It's really rare to see a beach this clean with soft sand and clear water. The white sand is spotless. And just see, it stretches endlessly along the shore. As we wind up our time in Havelock, it feels like the island has given us a glimpse of everything we could ask for. If you're planning a trip here, I would say the best time to come here is between October and May. Weather is usually perfect at this time, and water is calm. You can really enjoy all the beaches and do the water activities as well without any worries. It's one of the rare places that just stays with you. The crystal clear sea, the soft white sand, the lush greenery, everything feels magical. It's totally worth experiencing, at least once in your life.